Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best air fryers out there. If you're looking for a practical solution in the kitchen, this video is just what you need. Whether it's a bigger capacity or faster cooking time, these models have got you covered. Let's check them out. Number 4. Ninja Foodi DZ 550 air fryer stands out as the best air fryer we've tested. Perfect for families or those who love to meal prep, it boasts a 10-quart overall capacity. But don't let its size fool you. It's ideal even if you're cooking for one. Thanks to its spacious design, you can easily create evenly cooked, golden brown air-fried meals like chicken wings, vegetables, or crispy fries. The key here is the ability to arrange your food in a single layer, which ensures consistent crispness. What makes the Ninja Foodi DZ 550 even more impressive is its dual basket design. You can cook two different types of food at the same time, each with its own settings. Whether you're dehydrating fruits, baking a quick snack, or frying chicken, this air fryer has a mode and fan speed to match. Its ceramic non-stick crisper trays are another plus for those who want to avoid traditional non-stick materials, although they may make hand cleaning a bit more challenging. Additionally, this air fryer comes equipped with a temperature probe, perfect for cooking meats like steak or a whole chicken. It automatically monitors the internal temperature, ensuring perfectly cooked results every time. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative but still want similar performance, the Ninja Foodi Flex Basket is worth considering. It has a single large 10-quart basket that can be divided into two sections, or used as one big basket. While handling the large basket can be a bit cumbersome, it delivers great results in the end. Number 3. COSORI Turbo Blaze. If you're looking for a high-performing air fryer that doesn't take up too much space, the COSORI Turbo Blaze might be the perfect choice. With a 6-quart capacity, it's ideal for families of about 4 people, but its square basket gives you an advantage by offering more space to arrange your food in a single layer for even cooking. While it doesn't quite outshine the Ninja Foodi, it comes close by consistently delivering great quality, crispy air-fried meals. What sets this model apart is its versatility. With 5 different fan speeds, you can experiment with settings like bake for medium speeds to prevent cakes or cookies from drying out, or dehydrate for low fan speeds that gently dry ingredients without blowing them around. It's one of the few air fryers we've seen that makes it easy to understand which fan speed to use for each function, allowing you to play around with different recipes. However, it's not perfect. The temperature stability could be better, as it can fluctuate slightly compared to higher-end models like the Ninja. This means it might not be the best for delicate dishes that need precise temperature control. While the cooking is quick, preheating can take a little longer, though the built-in preheat mode helps you avoid guessing when it's ready. It's a solid option for those who want flexibility and good results without a premium price tag. Number 2. Ninja Pro AF141 is the best small air fryer we've tested. Despite its compact design, this 5-quart air fryer offers more surface area for cooking than other similar models. That extra space allows you to arrange your ingredients in a single layer, giving you even cooking results. While it doesn't quite air fry as evenly as our top picks, it still delivers great results, making it a solid option for everyday use. One of its best features is how quickly it preheats and cooks food, making it perfect for preparing quick snacks. It heats back up fast after opening the drawer to add food, and it maintains a steady temperature throughout the cooking process. While it's not as versatile as some other models with fewer fan speed and temperature settings, it still offers 4 modes: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Plus, its crisper tray features a ceramic non-stick coating, ensuring a healthier cooking option without the typical PTFE. It's a great choice if you want a small, reliable air fryer that gets the job done efficiently. Number 1. Dreo Chef Maker is the best air fryer with a window to watch your food cook. This high-end 6-quart air fryer allows you to observe the cooking process thanks to its transparent window and internal light. While it may not cook as evenly as the Ninja Foodi DZ 550, it cooks quickly and produces good quality fried food, making it a solid choice if you love being able to see your food while it cooks. This model comes with a small range of fan speeds, with a relatively slow maximum speed, but the temperature range is broad enough to handle a variety of recipes. The Dreo Chef Maker stands out with its unique Chef Mode presets, which include a temperature probe and a water misting feature that automatically cooks meats like steak to perfection. Plus, it pairs with an app that lets you monitor the cooking process, find cooking instructions, and send cooking info directly to the air fryer, making the cooking experience incredibly easy. However, it's priced on the higher end for an air fryer. If you're looking to save money, the Cuisinart AIR 200 with a window is a more affordable option. While it doesn't cook as evenly as the Dreo, it still produces decent results and gives you that window feature to watch your food cook. So there you have it, the best air fryers. Hope you found this video helpful. Still not sure which one to choose? Drop your questions in the comments below. Let me know which model you're leaning toward or want to try next. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Catch you in the next one.